These are families of chemical elements, the fiber of all living and non-living things. They are organized in a periodic chart, and we start with alkali metals from top right left. Alkali metals don't occur free in nature because of their strong reactive behavior. Here are lithium, sodium, potassium, and rubidium. The most reactive are cesium and francium. Alkaline earth metals are the next on the chart. They naturally occur in a combined state. Here are beryllium, magnesium, calcium, and strontium. The list ends with barium and radium. Now we go through metals of transition, elements with multiple states of oxidation. Here are scandium, titanium, vanadium, and chromium, manganum, ferrum, cobaltum, and nickelum, cuprum, zincum, yttrium, and zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, and ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, argentum, and cadmium, hafnium, tantalum, wolfram, and rhenium, osmium, iridium, platinum, and aurum, mercury, rutherfordium, dubnium, and seaborgium, borium, hassium, meitnerium, and unanilium. We end the list with ununium and anubium. The so-called other metals are next in our list. These are all solids and have a single oxidation state. Here are aluminum, gallium, indium, and stannum. The list ends with thallium, plumbum, and bismuthum. The next up are metalloids or semimetals. They have properties of both metals and nonmetals. Here are boron, silicium, germanium, and arsenium. The list ends with stibium, tellurium, and polonium. The first 5 of the following nonmetals make up DNA's atomic component parts. Here are hydrogen, carbonium, nitrogen, and oxygenium. The last 3 are phosphorus, sulfur, and selenium. The next group bears the name halogen, meaning salt former. They exist, at room temperature, in all states of matter. They all have oxidation number of -1, starting with fluorine and ending with astatine. The 3 in between are chlorine, bromine, and iodine. The elements called noble gases are most non-reactive, but in regard to lighting and glowing, they are quite productive. They don't really look for an electron to pull, because their outermost shell is already full. Here are helium, neon, argon, and krypton. The last 2 gases are xenon and radon. Up next are lanthanide elements. They are strong reducing agents. Here are lanthanum, cerium, praseodymium, and neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, and gadolinium, terbium, dysprosium, holmium, and erbium. We end the series with thulium, ytterbium, and lutetium. Our last series of elements are actinides. They are all radioactive elements. Here are actinium, thorium, protactinium, and uranium, neptunium, plutonium, americium, and curium, berkelium, californium, einsteinium, and fermium. We end the series and the chart with mendelevium, nobelium, and lawrencium.